Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Shirley.
And we are on day 1 of a 164-day around the world adventure. We are about to leave for the port. About 2 hours from now, we'll be boarding.
Yeah, we're a little bit excited.
Just a little. Hey, we had an amazing thing happen this morning. What was it, Shirley?
Well, let's see. We saw a gorgeous sunrise. And as we were standing out by the water, we were looking at the sunrise. And I turned around and right over our house was a huge rainbow. So I'm like, oh my gosh, Mother Nature is sending us off in a very nice way.
Absolutely.
Right,
I think so. I think it was a sign.
It was.
So more to come today. Stay tuned and we will see you soon. Bye.
Bye.